to play ESPN Fantasy Football on your phone. Let's get started. Just open the app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the app, to play you need to be in. You can tap Join League to join one with friends or random players, or tap Create League to start your own. Once you are in a league, you are officially part of the game. From here, you can create or you can join your league. The draft is where you pick your players. When the draft starts, just tap on a player you like and you draft. Your goal is to build a strong team, a mix of a quarterback, running backs, wide receivers, a tight end, a defense, a kicker. Each week, you set your lineup, tap the team tab at the bottom, tap on my team. After that, tap on players. From here, you want to swap a player, tap their name, hit move, and choose the spot you want them in. Make sure your best players are in the starting spots before game begins. Your players on points based on what they did in real NFL games. If you need a new player, tap players at the top to pick someone up. You can also trade by tapping them. And that's it. That's how to play ESPN Fantasy Football on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.